introduce about myself. My name is Cương. I'm 21. My major is information technology. Today, I would like to tell you to talk about self-report of Postgres product. The speaker may be manager, the listener may be staff members. First, the speaker says there are new Postgres product are doing very well this year. Tennis shoes, sandal, boot, and loafer are all very popular, but tennis shoes stand out as having much higher sale than the other. Next, the speaker want to discuss about the product, why it had done so well, and how they can keep sale high. Thanks for listening.